Good morning. Happy Saturday. It is just turned 8 o'clock and Bailey and I have been here for a bit getting things cleaned up, and I thought I would do a quick run through the store for you today so you know what all of the possibilities are, because there are some really special things in store today that aren't normally here. So I thought I would give you a walk through and show you all the things that you can do today if you would like to come and craft or just come and shop and check out the store. Say hello, say hi to Bailey, what have you. Let me turn you around so you can see what I got going on. So first and foremost here on our front table today, this is a rarity. We don't always get these, but these are fresh bouquets from Designs by Alexis Rose. They are gorgeous. Let me show you. Each one is wrapped separately and is in its own water bath. There are peonies in there and these gorgeous roses that I have never seen that color. Amazing, amazing. She does beautiful work, and we have a limited supply of those here in store, $33. And you can take home fresh flowers today. Beautiful. There are also some cupcake 6-packs, and I expect some hamburger, these hamburger and fry combos. There might be some of those arriving today. I won't know until a little bit later. I do have a couple more DIY sugar cookie kits. These are from Ma's Cupcake Boutique. It's early. I haven't had enough coffee. So those you can take home and do with the kids. Everything's in there that you need: icing, sprinkles, piping bag, all the jazz. So those are here, and those things are not always in store. So definitely you'll want to pop in and grab those while they last today. There's also some really cute candles just for Dad. Some really neat labels that Georgina came up with that are just for Dad, as well as some for the grad and for the teacher. So those are all here. And our store is always full of unique gifts to be able to give. Danica and Monique have worked really hard on some really beautiful cards. These are all handmade paper cards. These are all here for you to browse through as well. There are a number of mugs and tumblers that will appeal to all the folks. Paula's shelf is completely full, and she asked me to put the last 2 Dad aprons on special. So these are $5 off today only. The last 2 that we have, the rest of them have already sold. So those are super great for Dad if he likes to barbecue or cook it all. Those are definitely a great gift. Those are on special for $32, which is a great deal for a handmade, beautifully made. These are lined, and they are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So those are available today. And all of our regular vendors have their shelves fully stocked. There are some great teacher gifts here. Hope has got these cute, adorable Post-it notepads. There are notebooks. There are all sorts of things, wristlets and signs. Megan's shelf is packed with tumblers that are absolutely adorable for Dad or Mom or grad or whoever you need to buy a new tumbler for, or maybe you just need one for yourself for sure. And can you hear Bailey chewing? She's chomping on her bone. The soaps are also flying off the shelf. These are amazing. And I had a customer in buying for the second time who said the soap is outstanding. She hands down recommends it above anything else she's ever used. Smells amazing. Both her and her spouse loved the smell. And they had the orange patchouli. This time she took the fresh brew. And she said it lasted a good month, which is really great review. Bath bombs, of course, are amazing. Tam's bath bombs are outstanding. If you have not tried these, I can't tell you how much they are. They bubble, they stay at the surface. They do not mark your tub. Did you hear me? That those colors are gorgeous, and you get this beautiful bath, but they don't mark your tub. And if you don't like bath bombs, she has the same in a bag, so you can just scoop out some, which is really, really smart. And then the shower steamers, which are just great if you don't like to bath. You can just toss this in the shower and still get the scent and the enjoyment out of the experience, but not necessarily having a bath. Heather was in and fully restocked her shelf. So look at all of these adorable. There's so many cute new ones. I just can't decide. This is the last pair of Canada Day. These little, and you might have to fight me for them because I really like them. But these are all polymer clay and resin, which are gorgeous. Hey Hay's Clay, Heather makes those, and they are fully stocked and renewed. I also love those ones. That's my color jam right there. So I might have to snag those today. The lovely Georgina has a full stock of all of the candles that you need. We are getting low on melts, but she promises me that she is making more. So I will keep you posted when those arrive. There are a bunch of new scents in here. Maybe we'll play a game. There are some unlabeled candles that are new scents. And we've left them unlabeled on purpose so that you can add a label if you want a special one for the grad or the teacher or the dad. We'll put the label on it for you. But I will challenge anyone to take a guess at what the scents are. And if you can guess the scent correctly, you'll get a discount. That sounds like fun. So we're fully stocked there. There is a couple of gift baskets as well. This little one is great for teachers, 3 4-ounce candles. And I just put those 3 in there, but you can put whichever 3 you want. The box is beautifully decorated, of course. And then there is a full basket here as well that is also tied, but I can untie that and we can change out the scents that are inside of there. So no worries about that. Plain Squared has lots of charcuterie boards. These are all black walnut and cherry. Some of them have feet. They all come with board conditioning oil, so that is amazing. They are also on special, I believe. So you might want to come and grab one of those for dad. That would be a great gift. And our newest vendor, Working Beads. These are flying. These are hot. So these are wristlets, which are perfect to put your keys on or whatever. If you've got a light wallet, I think that they would work as well. They are silicone. Some of them are, I think, rosewood. But they are gorgeous, fully washable. There are badge reels, which are really handy if you have to wear one of those badges to work. You could at least make it pretty. Some lovely keychains and also some lanyards. And these lanyards have the breakaway clips, the breakaway safety clips, so you don't have to worry about them being unsafe. So if you wanted to buy one for the kids or whatever, if they really liked them, because they are incredibly reasonably priced, you could totally do that and not be worried about it being unsafe. So, and I don't know if I said this already, but they're fully washable, so which is fabulous. I just love the way they feel, and they're so pretty colors. I heard through the grapevine that there might be a class coming. Working Beads might be doing a class for us, which is super fun. So stay tuned for that. And of course, Sweet Feet Boutique has got her shelf fully stocked with her upcycled sterling silver cutlery jewelry. And these ones in this tray are really special because they all have a magnet closure. So it makes it really easy to get them on and off. And they are all so stunning with the ends of the cutlery. Everyone is unique. No 2 are the same. There's also a selection of rings and cuffs, keychains. These little elephants are adorable. And these gorgeous necklace. And this has a long drop on it. And it's the end of the spoon or fork that is then turned into this heart pendant, which is super adorable. Really, really unique and interesting and very, very reasonably priced. So, and of course, there is always crafting at the back. So lots and lots of crafting. I will take you for a quick tour of the project wall right now. This video is getting long. Hopefully, if you're watching till the end, drop me a heart so I know that you're here and you've watched this one. There are bird houses. There are all sorts of rounds. I don't even have all of the samples done. These are just some of them. There is Hello Honeybee. There is a Hello Umbrella. There is, what's this one? This is a sunflower. They are all here and ready for you to come and create or to take home as a kit. There are also 2 Canada Day options that I have not been able to do the samples for. One is a garland and one is a tier tray. Full Canada Day. See if I can change the glare on that. Moose and Canada flags and maple syrup and beavers and all the things. Your teacher gifts are here as well. Teacher kits and bees. All of our pom-pom pets are here. So you can create these with the kids. Fabulous, fabulous. All sorts of things. This is all full of stuff that you can just have a seat and make. These are brand new to us. These little wooden pieces. I'm actually going to put this one on the table so you can see, because these ones have legs. They're little, they have risers, and we have those in 3 different shapes and sizes. You are welcome to just take one home because they're gorgeous and use on your kitchen island, or create on it, wood burn on it, or paint on it. I wood burned that one. So that's another shape that we have. There is DIY macrame here. So you can make these cute little plant stands, plant hangers. And all of the things that you need to make that are in this bag. All of the cord and the hardware and the instructions for $20. Why wouldn't you do that? That sounds like a fun thing. You can either do it here with my help, not that I'm an expert, or you can take it home, give it as a gift, whichever you like. There are all sorts of things, really, all sorts. All of our pride signs are here. Everyone is welcome here. Those signs are there. You're welcome to sit and make one of those. And just so you're aware, maybe you want to give one as a gift. We have empty paint pots like this and brushes, so you can make your own kit. Fill the paint pots with whatever colors you think you would like to use, or the person you're giving it to as a gift would like to use. And it comes with brushes, and it is a complete kit, complete gift, ready to go. Perfect to take to the cottage with the kids or on vacation. Maybe it's a summer camp thing, who knows? But there are lots of options for you here. Last but not least, Father's Day. Father's Day, if you are still needing to craft and create, you certainly can. There are lots of options. Last night, kids made birdhouses for Dad. They were gorgeous. We made some beer steins. We are out of those. But we do have lots of wood burning options available. And we also have this sign in several different options, with frames, without frames, Dad, Daddy, Papa, Grandpa. And we added, let me see if I can grab them. Bear with me. I have lots of drying paint, but we added a bunch of these little hands. So maybe you don't want to do hand prints. Maybe we do little wooden hands and we put everybody's name on a hand. We could totally do that. We could wood burn them, or we could stencil them, whichever you would like. So lots and lots of options, lots of stock for those. So it is not too late to make a cute little craft for Dad. So that is it. That's your run through the store. There are all sorts of things here. If you haven't been, you need to come and check it out, and come and snag those things that are just for today only, because they will disappear. We're closed Sunday and Monday. So the perishable things, the flowers and the food products, they disappear on Saturday afternoon. So you want to make sure that you come down and grab those right away. And of course, come and say hi. to Miss Bailey. She wants to say hi to everybody. So if you haven't been, come and check us out. We've got everything you need here in store for this weekend. This is a super long video, but thanks for watching. Hope you have a fabulous weekend. Come and say hi, and we will see you soon. Bye.